Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I am happy to show you guys that I caught this lovely, simple 0.786 Fibonacci retracement setup. Quite a mouthful, I know, but basically 15-minute time frame, zooming into recent price action. We have this move up, move down, well, quite a sharp move down. This is basically what happened when news came out that Bybit got hacked. Came out right here and we basically dumped. However, we got that nice little bounce and we're kind of rolling over. But when you take a fib from the low to the high, you get the 786 level. And I was waiting patiently for this level to get hit. And we were trading below it. If I zoom in, we were trading below it for a while, but then I set some alerts at the 786 so that when they went off, I knew there's a chance price could get above it. So if I just go into the lower time frame, you can see that I basically waited for price to start trading above it, and then when I was confident, I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna long stop loss right at the low, risking $700." And as you can see, we started moving quickly. So initially, I saw we were here, and I was like, "Yeah, I'm not gonna take profit." Then I saw we got here, started getting rejection, and I was like, I mean, I was up to like I don't know what the ratio was, but probably like 1 to 3, 1 to 4. But I was risking 700. So yeah, no, I was risking that's like 1 to 5, sorry, even more. But anyway, the point is that I took profit because I've learned from my mistakes. If you've been following the videos, you know I don't like to take profits, but I took profits, and because I was not going to let this slip out of my fingers, I got out. It was a quick trade. I mean, how long did that last? Like within 1 hour. So yeah, I mean, I've still got a little bit of a position open, but let me show you the trade. Enough waffling. Oh yeah, that's it pretty much. This is the trade. So this is my position that is still open, but I had closed the position today for 3.5. I think the highest I saw was like 3.8, but doesn't really matter at that point. So yeah, decent trade. Uh, but yeah, that's it. Quick video update on the trade on a nice little Sunday night, Sunday evening. Gonna call it a day and see what the week brings on. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've made it to the very end, very short video. So yeah, have a lovely day and subscribe, like, comment, any questions. This was a simple 0.786 Fibonacci retracement setup. You see price gets below the 786 and you wait until we get back above. And then boom. That's what you call an SFP, guys. Okay, guys, this is me from the future. It's currently the 9th of March, and the previous clips were taken on the 23rd of Feb. So about 2, 3 weeks later, I've gone back in time to get the same setup up, and I just wanted to do some post analysis. You can see here, taking the fib from the low to the high, 786 bang. This is why I longed in the trade of the video. And as you can see, this is something I've noticed before where, yeah, I might take profits early, but even when I take profits early, it's already at least a 1 to 3 RR. So, 1 to 3 risk to reward. But these 786 levels are so powerful that if you get a successful tap or SFP off the 786, then you can bloody well hold that position for at least the 0.382, at least, because I've seen many times before. This isn't just the only example where we hit the 786, I enter the trade, I take profit where I'm satisfied, but the trade just goes a lot higher. So so when we hit the 786, we should hit the 0.382 and 0.236. So it's kind of similar to my other setup where we hit the 0.88. After hitting the 0.88, we hit the 5 times out of 10, we hit the golden zone, and 5 times out of 10, we hit the 0.5. I'll show you a quick little example actually on the same setup. Let me just switch settings to 0.88 setup. Bang, all the lines changed, and you can see, okay, you can see here we hit the 0.88 from this whole move, we hit the 0.88, bang, SFP off the 88, and you can see that golden zone was hit pretty much straight away. You can pretty much guarantee that after hitting the 0.88, especially testing it like this, getting a bit below it and finally getting above it, that golden zone is just going to come. Trust me. Just try it out yourself. And if you're lucky, 0.5, which can happen quite a lot, actually, 0.5 will get hit. So if you enter the stop loss there, you're looking at an easy one to at least 1 to 5, depending on your stop loss and your entry. But that's all I wanted to say, guys, to be honest. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Hope I was good at explaining. Um, but yeah, in summary, let's just change this back to the 786. Nice little 786 setup. Got below it. See how we just got below it and then we got back above it? Yeah, enter long on the acceptance back above the 786. You do nothing whilst you're below. You wait, wait, wait. Once you're back above, all right, cool. It's a fake out or whatever you want to call it. Enter stop loss at the low, and because it's a 786 setup, very, very powerful Fibonacci level. Your the 382 is coming, and 2.36, 0.236 as well. Now, I just want to show you one more example. The video structure, my video structures aren't the best. I already basically ended the video, but I'm about to show you another example because, I think you deserve it. Let me just go back to where we are. Change pair. Bam. You can see here, bit messy, but all in all, let me zoom out a bit. 15-minute time frame. Okay. From this high. Yeah, from that high to the low. Yeah, you get these Fibonacci levels: 236, 382, 0.5, golden zone, 786, 0.88. And what happened here, guys? This trade I didn't take, but you can see that green 786 level, got above it, couldn't really do anything. So as soon as we got back below it, bang. So it's basically the opposite of what I just explained. You can see enter short, stop loss at the high. You enter the short on the acceptance back below, and you just wait it out. Bang, bang, bang. 382 was my TP, just to be conservative. And as you can see, TP fully hit for 1 to 5, 1 to 6 pretty much. However, at 0.236 hit to perfection, actually. Like, look at that. We literally just wicked down to it. So, just another example, guys. Now I end the video. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully, you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And until the next one, guys, peace out.